like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then like them. Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And welcome, glad to have you. And on this channel, we do all kinds of unboxings. We do mystery boxes, FabFitFun, Temu, you name it, we do it. Temu. And I jumped on the bandwagon once again and went for the seasonal, how Jeffree Star does his seasonal treats, and where he does a $6 treat and a $12 treat. They call them different things, but that's what they are. And they're basically mystery things. And you get, and Jeffree Star, for one, you gotta watch, excuse my bra strap. But for Jeffree Star, a lot of his palettes go for over $50, well over $50. So if you can get a palette for $12 or something for $6, I think his lipsticks are normally like $20. So if you're getting something for $6 and $12, they're deals. And I have granddaughters. And they're getting to the age now, the one is a senior, the youngest is a senior, and, the older ones, I've got great-grandchildren now. So those moms still got babies, and you know how you're just kind of in between that stage where you want to feel pretty, but yet you just want to get shit done. That's the age they are. So I'm like, well, Serena, she'll use the stuff, because she's in her senior year, and the moms will use it occasionally because, and I'll be, they had Ray's, they had his open house for his preschool where he's changed preschools. He'll go at Fort Campbell now, and they have so many nice things for them at Fort Campbell for autistic children. He's completely potty trained. He's singing songs now, which until a year ago, this child was almost totally nonverbal. And he's, he may not be singing them like you or I will, but he's making every effort and he's putting his heart and soul in it. So God bless him. And they're trying to get ready to do the full adoption. So I'm going to be trying to do a fundraiser for that too. But anyway, this is the card this time. He always sends you a card. I don't really know why. I really don't know why, but he does. I guess it's because they're coming out with, it's their skincare line. It's basically an advertisement thing for their, whatever they're pitching this season. And then this is what it looks like. And I'm hoping for the blue buds. Because I don't have the blue buds and I have been wanting it. And I don't. Let's see. Let's see if I can figure out which is which here. Okay. Let's see. I don't really know. I know these two would be the $6 ones. These two would be the $6 ones. And then one of these fours would also be a $6. And probably this. Anyhow, I'm going to do the $6 ones first. Okay, and we have, the first thing we have is, my glasses in the other room again. This is lip balm, and it says on it, what is this called? Widow. I think that's what it looks like. So I'm probably assuming it's probably black, which I kind of like because it's close to Halloween, and this is what it looks like. And his stuff is always really good. I mean, it's good formula, and I realize our makeup space has such controversy. Yeah, it's black. It's just a balm. It's just like a black tint. You can make it go. See, you really have to work with it. It's got a lot of balm in it. So I got. Did it do anything? Yeah. Made it a little darker. But yeah. You could work with. Oh, honestly, that would make really. Look, this would make really good bruises. I know, I'm weird. I know. But I do like I love Halloween. I love the creativity of it, but then I always end up doing it. I ain't doing it. Because when I lived in California, everybody did it. But back here, people don't really do it that often. You know, if they have a party at the club or whatever, you got maybe 10 people that dress up, and that's it. So you kind of feel, if you do, you feel weird. Okay, this is the other one, and this is called Christmas Cookie. And it looks like this. I forgot to show you that too. It says shaped very well. Okay, here we go. And it has his standard dough foot. Of course, I won't give you the true color but this is the true color. This is the true color right there. You can see it that well. That's the true color, isn't it? I kind of like that color because where I don't have lips, I try not to display them. And like they're as red as they are right now, and I feel like I'm drawing attention to the fact that I don't have lips. One day, somebody come punch me in the mouth and I might have lips. Okay, then I got this one, and this is Jeffery Star Skin. And it's vitamin C skin perfecting serum. And it looks like that. And, you know, of course it's shiny, so it's hard to show because of the lights. There. Then I will open it up because, you know, this is, honestly, if I didn't buy this stuff this way, I probably couldn't afford it. So I'm going to imagine his skincare is probably pretty steep. It's probably pretty steep. So if I can open it. But I will check the prices online for some of these. And I'll post them on screen or down below. Or, you know, and I will post the link where you can get these down below. Because as of today, when I was recording, they were still available. And you can't beat the price. And I don't buy the mystery boxes that he does because, quite frankly, I don't want his t-shirts and his mirrors. And I don't want that stuff. And, you know, those are always in there. I would rather have just the makeup. So, this is what the bottle looks like. And it says Jeffery Star Skin. Whoa, I did not expect that. Okay, you open this up, okay, and this is what you get. I did not expect that. So, I'm going to assume I did not expect that at all. We're going to do this, and I just didn't expect it to actually be green. I didn't expect it to be able to stick. It smells good. It does smell very well. Yeah. And it rubs in really fast, so to me that's always important. I can't stand it when it's that real thick stuff that doesn't want to go in your skin and you're standing there. But yeah, that's nice. I will definitely try that and get back with you on that one. Okay, and then this one, so I'm assuming that's probably the $12 one. And this one is Jeffery Star Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. And that looks like that, which, you know, every girl's eventually going to go through cleanser. Especially for me, I have to exfoliate my face so often because I have psoriasis. But it's actually doing pretty good right now because after getting through all the side effects of the biologics, I'm actually feeling pretty good right now. $20,000 a month in medicine's a little crazy, but okay. I know we had a girl around here, she was doing auctions to help pay for her medicine. But hell, I'd have to auction my house just to get 1 month. My thought was, well, maybe your mom should give up her Hummer. You know. But anyway, and this is what it looks like in here. Of course, I will. Oh, he's got a safety sealed inside. That's always important. That's always important. I prefer that when they do safety seal it. You know, because I'm just one of those people that just doesn't trust the world. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. And it's just cleanser. So, this will go in the bathroom also. It has a faint scent of strawberry. It's not strong. And it did take that little bit of makeup off, so. And then my first palette is Androgy, which I'm not going to, I'll open, but I'm not going to swatch because I got one of these last time. So I would just put it up in either a giveaway or a I'll probably end up giving this one to my granddaughter. She called dibs. They're really pretty colors. And last time I also got the purple one that's velvet. Oh, it's really pretty. But yeah, so that will go in the Kaylee basket probably. And I did get blue blood. Which this is the one I really wanted. This is the one I was hoping to get. Now whether it was like I really wanted it, couldn't live without it, no, because it's not me. But this is the box. And this is the inside. And yeah, it's shaped like a coffin. And see, it has a flip thing here. Look at these colors. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And, you know, I'm just going to say it. Try that. I'm going to swatch a few. You know, right here's a few. I mean, his formulas are so nice. And the colors are just gorgeous. And the packaging, you just can't. I mean, these are, honestly, these are more like heirloom quality. Even when you use the eyeshadow, it's something that, you know, you can pass down to your kids, your grandkids, whatever. You know, I assume this part would just come right out. And it's something you can pass down. And so is the purple one. So I was just over the moon. But, you know, that much Jeffery start. I got a skin serum, 2 palettes, a cleanser, and 2 lipsticks. And I paid, I believe, with shipping and everything, it was a total of $70. When one palette will cost you that. This probably would have cost you that. So, I will leave everything below. I'm really happy I got this one. This was the one I really wanted. Because, you know, it matches a lot of it's kind of my colors. Anyway, hey, that was my set. So, feel free to come back. Do the YouTubey stuff, like, subscribe, and we'll just get on with the next one. Because I got to get this done before trash goes out. Thanks, bye.